Hello, welcome to Sunday Morning Builds. This week we are doing the Lego Brick Sketches set number 40536. It is the Marvel Spider-Man Brick Sketches. This comes with 214 pieces. Good addition to the collection, and this is the latest one that has been released. So this will bring me up to date with what has been released so far. I do like this. It looks like Spider-Man wearing the hoodie, which is a nice little effect there. Nice big eyes, the black of the mask, and the contrasting background as well. So I think this will be a 20-minute build. We'll do a speed build as normal and then come back for the review and see how it stacks up against the other brick sketches. Hope you can join me then. Here we have the finished product of set number 40536, the Brick Sketches Marvel Spider-Man. This was a really interesting build. From the images on the box and just looking at it like this, you would think, okay, that's fairly straightforward, not much to it, some larger pieces. But it actually took 26 minutes, a lot longer. And there are a few surprises. Things that you won't see is the contrasting colours that layer up and sit in behind the main finished product, or the top level of bricks, which is good for building and being able to put the pieces down where they should go. But what I found very interesting is this middle piece. Opens up. Didn't expect that at all, and I'm uncertain for what reason. And as you can see in there, a bit of the contrasting colours with the blue and the yellow. That just slips back down. Not too sure about that, but that's the way they've done it, and that's a different build technique and works very well. The eyes are also really interesting. I didn't realise when I started doing it that I was actually building the eyes at the time. But what I found most interesting was if I remove just this little piece up here and that here, this is completely flexible. Look at that. So I haven't come across that style of technique either in the brick sketches. So that is what makes this build very interesting. So that clamps down. Well, it doesn't actually have a fixed point down here at all. It relies on these pieces here. So if I put that in there, now that can't, well, that can still move, but it can't go right up like I had it before. And then if I layer these on top, that will still be able to open up, yeah, just not as much. And then top of the hoodie, there you have it. There we go. It just needs a little bit of a click into place. So you can actually play around with that. As you just saw, it just broke off, so maybe that's not the best idea. Put that all back together. So quite a good build, some different techniques to achieve, ooh, there we are, to achieve an outcome, which I hadn't done before. And that's always a good thing with these Lego sets. And makes this one a really interesting build. So for $24, $25 in Australia. I think that's well worth it. 214 pieces and adds to the collection of the brick sketches I have up there. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please like and subscribe. So until next time, bye for now.